Yes, I. What I say?
Yeah, when you start link with Donut, them my youth.
Yeah.
You know, say you tell me a lot of story, man. If I dopey story, I true you tell I want. You tell me all them things I say, yo, yeah, you know a lot of celebrities, so.
Yeah, man.
So what you say about Donut? You say you Donut them used to link?
Yeah, alright. You see, back in the days when we did at town, I don't just bust out in the dog, I just come out to the music.
Yeah.
You used to link with a producer named Flex Records.
Yeah.
The team, they're Flex Records. So, you know, the studio, they're Riverton.
Yeah.
We have Clanny, Flex, Beanie Man Brother, King Wolf, because he used to write the song them. So the songs, and the dance them. I give Beanie Man. Or Beanie Man used to give John Knight the dance them.
Ah!
You understand? Yeah, Beanie Man now, man. Man, I brother them dog. Man, the brother now, bossing brother them brother.
And where you say, my dude? How much brother I have?
I have a few brothers. I have Blue, I have Boof. You have Blue.
Yeah.
You have Boof. I think my brother was dead. But me not really remember because a long time that. And I like to be the man them. Never there be the man them.
Yeah.
See him. Me just see Carlin. Me just see him daughter. Me just see him son.
Yeah.
You will see when you see him daughter and son.
Yeah.
You will see Angel. Even if my Angel start link.
You
see Angel. Yeah, my Angel a pretty girl. Though.
Yeah, man. Where you say?
Angel nice. One thing be the man that be a hot girl in there with you know.
Yeah.
Hey, you think the doctor around?
Like that.
Doctor around, be a hot girl in there with man.
Yeah.
Carlin nice and hot enough.
Yeah.
And then.
So Carlin, which year you talk about when you said that?
A long time I tell about it. You know.
When you are youth, yeah.
We used to go to Washington.
Yeah.
Washington, we see them because they used to live we learn Wave Drive. Me can't describe it for you.
Yeah.
We used to go left from Spanish Town Road right in front of Riverton this song. And we could go across and go drench like a gully.
Yeah.
And come up back in Washington. And be the man house to be right there.
Yeah.
His mother, be my mother.
Okay, yeah.
So when they do a birthday party for his mother, or for his brother, or for his daughter, you just see them pull up tune. I used to have some cousins used to link with him. I don't remember the man name because a long time I tell about you. Be the man used to have some cousin. Them time I used to have a bigger teenager for me.
Yeah.
So, then the man used to, when Blue used to come and go and bad because sometimes Blue swing with their reason and thing and must you move from your sorry.
At the gate, I've been in my gate.
Yeah, like I'm mother gate.
I'm mother gate.
It's a big house.
The big house,
So all of them live there.
Yeah,
Washington, so sometimes we do all the vibes. You know, it's youth we are ramp and we are laugh, we sound kind of loud and things.
Yeah.
But a youth be a youth. For them family like him nephew and cousin them.
But that's still Beanie Man family
Beanie Man family, yeah.
Yeah.
So we are there our vibes and Blue that come out and our next brother, I forgot his name. They come out and somebody that say, the brother them good.
Yeah.
But remember Blue that come out and say, yo, move from your son, yo, left from your son. You know, I run away.
Yeah.
As a young youth, man,
run away. Move, go away, keep up.
Yeah, go over something nice and ramp in a ring.
Yeah.
Remember, so all of our youth, you know.
Yeah.
Play for them cousin and for them niece and whatever.
Yeah.
And let the enjoyments, they still come over there. So, being my cousin now, a part-time family, you know. They come out and say, yo, BBC love the money man, run away.
Run away, Blue.
Yeah, talk all up on me and say, yo, him can't touch you.
Yeah.
Any other thing you about touch one of them. You know? So you see defend we now. So like it's nice to get to know the man them good and respect with. Anyways. So come we get to know Boof. We have a brother named Boof.
Okay.
So at the time his artist name was King Boof.
King Boof.
Really talented.
Yeah,
man, the man talented.
Yeah.
You say Boof, when Boof come around, Boof can give 10 songs, in a 1.5 hour.
Yeah.
Good song.
Yeah.
2 chorus, 3 verse, 2 verse in 1.5 hour. You can make dance on the spot. You can make dance. Yo, me see it from my 2 eyes, my witness.
Yeah.
The man make dance. I man say, yo, what a dancer. I can be a dancer. I know see the dancer come around be the man and the house sometimes. Sometimes they come around the side. Man say, Bill, what your name? Yeah. You know, like so build dance.
Build dance,
I'm gonna get a name and say, yo, take that one there.
Take that one there.
So Boof be bad.
So which dancing is saying give John Hype now?
Like for the dance you see the man in the dog. You see him give the man to give John Hype and give John the hype. Or be the man build the dance, build the song for the dance.
Oh, the song for the dance.
Yeah. Big up John Hype tonight.
Okay.
So him do the dance, let John Hype come in the video
And I do the dance. Yeah. Where the man create.
But the man himself, the brother who need the strength.
Yeah.
The talented one. When shall bust and get the highlight, he never give. But yeah man, I'm just learning the people. I'm there Flex Record now. Years past, we get older.
Yeah.
Learn Flex Record because I youth named Clanny.
Yeah.
He was the owner for the studio. So Clanny they link me up and say, yo, we got a shop one day and I say, yo, you artist? I say, yeah man, me used to have studio.
Yeah.
But me never go around there, because you know me as a man, I stay by myself still. I don't mix with people, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
So I always build back and by myself. And enough people say, yo, one studio there, say, no.
Yeah, yeah.
Go around and link the man them, but me nah go myself.
You nah go yourself, yeah.
Yeah. Me never been to a studio yet. So boom and me there shop one day and Clanny pull up and then I buy some things on place them Blue Window.
Oh yeah?
Blue Window, yeah. Riverton.
Yeah.
Then I buy one day, pull up there and I buy and Clanny forward. And big up Clanny. And the man say, yo, me a DJ some song, you know.
Yeah.
And there's a chop lyrics, cause them tell you, I do one of my artists, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
So I run lyrics. And man say, artist? And I say, yeah man, me artist man. Man say, yo, there was studio around there, come check me at the studio.
Yeah.
You see it and them never show coming up.
Yeah.
And it was a boom in the night. Tell my friend, say, yo, get a link, you know, we got the studio, you know.
What you say?
Nice, no?
Yeah.
Comes so boom in the night now, I got the studio. So I got the studio. And I see the man, I say, be artist for the studio, you know, dog.
Yeah.
Them tell, good artists, you know, you're old artists in Jamaica, you know. Yo, I say, be artist for the
So
studio.
what are some of the artists, them, like popular artists that was there at that time?
And they tell, no, they're the community.
And they come out in the community, okay.
Yeah, community artists we talk about, man. It's the artists in the studio. We see artists from road, you know.
Yeah.
Because remember, I'm going to Marlon Beans, because Marlon Beans work with Bounty Killer.
Yeah.
And I have a brother too that work with the Alliance. They make Alliance.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go see them. And there were some other artists and dance and promoter, engineer.
Yeah.
You see, so we never know none of them at the time. And you see a man, you know a man.
Yeah,
but
for
when
real.
you get to learn about the business and then the entertainment, you get to know people's face. So you got to really see them say, oh, this is a person named Birch. This is a person named Sherentberg. You know, you know people.
You know people. Yeah.
In the studio, a Flex Record in Riverton teach me about music properly.
Yeah.
I'm going there, every man talented. They start showing me the ropes. Yo, when a DJ, 4 bars to a beat. You understand? Chorus, 8 to 16 bars. You have 32 bars. You know? Then teach you all this. You have intro, outro. They run them, so all them produce the music or they mix it. Because I'm doing computer, you know. So the time when I try to study IT, me never take it serious, but the little I learn, when around them, I'm say all them do things, I gravitate too fast.
Yeah.
See? So I say all them mix things on track, balance, and all these things. I catch on, all them build rhythm to me, all that start to help them build rhythm. So by the time when I go there, I kind of Roxy. Because I have song about my song that is scattered all about the place.
Yeah, because you know have the technique, you know have the music, you know what I mean?
I used to love music because of Elephant Man and Bounty Killer. I dance, I love dance all.
Yeah.
But you see Elephant Man and Bounty Killer, them the two man there, make me take dance all to a different, I see I'm happy to do music, I love it.
Yeah.
Anywhere I'm going to live, people can say, so you there, you make too much noise because of music. I always sing.
Yeah,
anybody can tell you that. So anyways, Flex Record teach me, and from that, we got one Kai Festival. In the area, you have to dance in the era. Different area town. So you have a Kai Festival, used to keep a sentence. Wizzy Kai Festival. Anyone who don't watch this, if they know about Wizzy, if they come from sentence or Falmouth, anyone in place St. Mary, you know about Wizzy Kai Festival, even town. So the what I dance is a get contract for the bus of people. So everybody can enjoy themselves. Jamaica is nice, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica is nice, man. Now I tell you, see, yo, 4 buses in Riverton, 3 buses at Calabed, 5 buses at Waterhouse. You know, every garrison community in Kingston used to have bus every April to go to Kai Festival of Sentence. So, you get the bus now for come to the Kai Festival for the first time in my life.
Yeah.
You still got the Kai Festival now. Because I go as an artist, I go for performing now.
Yeah.
So the first time for me is to get the exposure to see so many people at one event or concert. Yeah. So when we did it, we have a Wizzy Kai Festival on the bus. We sign up because I'm an artist now, because I'm an artist. But the people them, so we never have no guidance, we never have a road manager, we never have anybody for construct it properly. All of them go in the studio, but up them the people. Left from around them, they come one. So I don't have a road manager or nothing. I get a buzz when the community people know about me. You know, I do look at dance event, pull up on things, but this is the first. I go around hundreds of people.
Hundreds of people, yeah.
Yeah, it could be thousands come at least a whole heap of people at Kite Festival.
Yeah.
So when we go down, they sign me up as a, you know, at the segment you have two segments. You have concert segments, because the festival you have concert segments.
Yeah.
For people in the competition, compete like people like Bun Challenge.
Yeah.
Juice challenge, you know, pepper challenge, who can eat the most pepper and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So the music challenge. So me I compete with some little small people. Me small at the time now, but me I talk about some people are gimmicks.
Yeah.
Yeah, there wasn't no
lyrics.
Yeah, gimmicks that they did because me should sign up for it in the night.
Yeah.
Because in the night I want the show happen. But
Yeah.
just because me never know and we go too early.
Yeah.
Because the woman sign up for the show, you know, the morning, the day. So what they did the day now when they want to do the concert thing, they see them all the three artists on stage. My name will call.
Yeah.
And the man may come in and say, yo, where it go, man? Because I remember, you know, a big town people, you know.
Yeah.
So me did this, you know, me feel my strength.
Yeah.
They say even if the ball get, they said to me, say, do not get nervous. Because even if you flop, they might give me the support.
Yeah.
You can represent town.
Yeah. You don't know, say support of them, did they?
Support them, did they? Because all the people from town is there.
Yeah.
So it's alright, you never do it. But go. You understand? And one man named Jerry Dean. You know Jerry Dean?
Jerry D?
Jerry D, yeah.
From the radio?
From radio.
Yeah, man. No,
Yeah,
Jerry D. Jerry D. Always I run them.
Yeah,
Not them time that I run them things.
You might run the place them time. So,
yeah, no,
he was the MC and him call me one thing.
Yeah.
So I go up now. You know, artists look like arts and everything, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm telling man, see how, before I go up, I'm telling see how play my rhythm.
Yeah.
Because as an artist, you have to have your own rhythm.
Yeah.
But when they say, oh, nobody now, that's what they tell me. The first they say yes, give them see them play rhythm. When I go up, they tell me, see, oh, nobody now a special rhythm.
There's one rhythm I do the thing.
There's one rhythm, there's DJ for a rhythm.
Yeah.
Remember, the first time for me, I get the exposure on stage.
Yeah, with so much people.
So much people. So, you know, I'm nervous, my stage fright. I'm not telling no lie at the time, stage fright. Nervous.
A second stage fright catch up.
So second, yeah, because the first time, me thought was the first time, so second stage fright. But this one I serious because when you look into it, thousands of people you see.
Yeah.
You can look at one kite festival, anyone can tell about a kite festival in sentence.
Yeah.
People turn out from old to young.
Yeah.
And you have clean lyrics. You understand? So, at the time, they were reading them applause.
Yeah.
Yeah, swing it.
Swing it.
You know it. You want to be in one of a song and say, Dengue cha ta ta. Yeah, man. You have a song or the next song on it. So, the thing is, them play lyrics in my song, the tempo of that rhythm.
Nah, match.
The tempo is fast.
Yeah.
So the song I have in mind, when I don't say, yo, it'll give me a buzz. This song I have in mind.
The rhythm not match.
The rhythm now go match it.
Yeah.
So I said, John was star. The man said, now give me a different rhythm.
What
me I go do?
Yeah.
So they are meds on side stage, you know, come I go backstage.
And I go backstage.
The side stage, I meds and the competition thing. I said to myself, yo, come on, flap myself now because all of this we sign up for.
This is sign up for.
I'm an artist. We're in a competition with some young people. Like some gimmick thing. You understand?
This is some gimmick.
So I say,
a nursery rhyme.
Yeah. So I say, yo, I go and do my thing.
Yeah.
So when the person call up, the person go before me.
Like,
they call
one the person you contest.
Yeah.
You contest.
Person I contest against. You call a person. A little girl too, you know. Yo, a man go and do his thing, you know. A man go and do his thing. The girl they call. And it was a little girl a little bit there. So no matter if she has a foolishness.
So they put against a small girl.
A small girl, bro.
Like 6, 7.
A cheerwee, you know.
Like
cheerwee, so the girl like she's 7.
So you're the biggest.
The girl like she's 7, you know.
Yes, sir. So you see the little girl I know.
Yeah, man, yo, the little girl, them was 6, 7, year 1.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, segment with me there.
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of stylist? But, so they bias. They get the little girl a rhythm, but she can't sing for them.
Yeah.
And me request my rhythm, you know, they tell me, yo, any rhythm I rhythm, just sing.
Just sing, yeah.
But as an artist, any rhythm a person give,
yeah.
this bus can sync and upon Charlie B, BBC, One Extra,
yeah.
and Chris Stetter and them man them.
Yeah.
Any rhythm one give a boot, it's supposed to vibe response.
Yeah, yeah, but just connect it to your
brain. But
brain.
reach a level yet.
Yeah, yeah, you know, reach a
young
level.
Yeah. So when me just I'm a stage fright.
Yeah.
If you make me get comfortable, if you give me the rhythm when I write the song for, we can deliver it exactly.
Yeah, because you know you adapt to it, you know to it.
You know the rhythm, because I promote, I sing upon it all the time.
Yeah.
I use and get forward. So man them chew me off and give me one different rhythm.
Yeah.
I see all the one Jerry D are wicked. Jerry D are wicked.
Jerry D the vibes master.
Yeah man, big him up man.
Yeah.
Yo, because the boom and the girl I think I lift up the crowd. That's a
small girl.
The good small girl lift up the crowd. But when it comes to boom and man say my time. And me go do it, me have a sound them time me have a virgin Russian. I have a song named in a house like ball. Bad my name then go call. Rise with it all up town. We call them be a race ball. You see it,
yeah.
I go do the song then. But the rhythm, I go too fast.
Yeah.
I rhythm a chop. You know,
yeah.
I'm in the pan, I try to catch the rhythm.
Yeah.
But I couldn't catch the rhythm properly.
Yeah.
So, Jerry, take the mic and after we finish, take the mic and I say, yo, people are real for me, because my fans them did it.
Yeah, fans them did it, so it's like...
Everybody know say off.
I know say off.
You see, so they must say, yo, the people, and Jerry put me over here, so and lift the girl over here, so one on the right, one on the left.
Yeah.
And they say, yo, the people, what want to say?
What want to say? Why do we know?
Because another segment, there's an artist like
a talent show.
Talent show segment that. So my segment is evening where the art will perform with one tracks,
yeah.
bands and everything. But we're going to the talent show section.
Yeah.
So they make my thing look clown out.
Yeah.
You see, so little girl wins it because people say, yo, no!
No!
People say, yo, no! People say, yo, little girl was 6'7".
She was 6'7".
They say, she? They say, yeah! They say, John was star, Jaja. But we know what's not going to happen, you know.
Yeah.
You see, so anyways, Jerry look at me and say, yo, come on, what style? I must say, if you check off in the crowd. But yo, so joke off. Just people make sure they catch him, you know. Make sure they catch him. Once they just run and jump off. Just look for instance for it to do. Once I flap me. Walk left.
Where they are?
People laugh.
A big flap, not to that.
Big flap, brother.
Chuck off because you lose.
The biggest embarrassment that's on a stage. Me not tell no lies. As an artist, we go through whole thing, but the biggest embarrassment that's on a stage.
That's the biggest.
Redeem back myself.
Yeah.
Because I go back, because remember the news spread bigger toll now.
Bigger toll to your flap.
Yeah.
I see
people talk about it before me even reach and come out and come for the bus.
Yeah.
The shuttle. People, yo, no, me see a flap. I said, John, no. Technology on TV still like, no, come on, show up my face now. I'm like, no, when internet run things, I want to show up my face.
Yeah.
But anyways, you see, the night part they good, but we come back here and feel away, feel down,
yeah.
feel shame. You know what I'm saying? I said, John, work on that in the start. We have fun the day, but we work on that. So what we do? Go to the studio, take some training, you know, learn some things. Then we start go around. The man do show this, so keeps the show.
Yeah.
So busy signal them is coming to the community.
Yeah.
Them time they on the show keep them Jamaica.
Yeah.
In the front of Riverton. So music go there at Jamaica, Riverton. I link with the studio man them, you know.
Yeah.
So suck up me know conscience now. Because me know conscience now, brother. Conscience can't hide and talk. Me know him from the names, Soldiers. DJ Money from Coville Garden. You sleep on hit list. Yeah. With Milk and these people. I know them. I know all the girls that sing with Beanie Man name. She never live at Doon Park. She live at Washington. Coville. She live at Coville. She named Miss Chin. Miss Thing,
eh?
You know Miss Thing me close now.
Yes, I dude. What I do the wickedest.
Yeah, Miss Thing, she hot. I know her good. Me and Miss Thing good. If she watch this right now, she can't tell her.
Yeah.
Because she used to come, our music at Riverton and go do some work, you know. Because an artist, you have to hustle. You understand? And you know, I make the money from the music, so if you have something carrying the funds.
Yeah.
So, we used to sell paint. Miss Vera and my stepmother named Eve. We got Eve. You understand? So, we sell paint and things. And Miss Thing, used to see Miss Thing and she said, no, you know, I know you too, you know. Because we got Coville.
Yeah.
So, I tell her about the paint business. And one day she get up and say she want to paint her place.
Blood killer.
You understand? And she link me.
Eat food.
Yeah, she link me and say, yo, I see Mr. call, I see number call, I say, oh, this just a mistake, you know. What? It's well big. I say, what? Mr. call, we get Mr. number? Yeah, man. So me and I start rock, she come up to link me on my ends.
Yeah.
It's probably the factory, you understand? And she come there and she want to paint her place and she know which colour to put her house in.
Yeah.
And we come to boom and tell her, so I'm sure a few colours. And she like them, but she's still undecisive.
Yeah.
So to her, say, yo, I mix a colour for you. But the bad number, I can't make paint from scratch, you know.
Eh?
From scratch. Right now, with 2 hands and right there, so.
Yeah, you can use some.
If you give me the job right now,
yeah.
We can't get the ingredients and we can't tell you.
Yeah.
We can't make paint, because we used to make paint at Riverton.
Yeah.
We used to make paint at Colorado. We used
Yeah.
to be at Old Lava. And then place that sell paint. You understand? We used to hustle. So we used to paint house, we used to make paint, and we used to sell paint, make paint, and paint house.
Where you say Berger 404.
Better than Berger. The paint quality is better than Berger. That's why you make the market.
Yeah.
If you're going to make something like someone, if you're being like the competitor,
yeah.
nobody now know you can Berger a big brand.
Yeah.
So our paint is cheaper.
Yeah, better than Berger.
Better.
Yeah.
Bright.
Sherwin Williams.
Better. I tell you.
Yeah, man.
Anybody can tell us, so we used to buy paint from me back in the days, and from anybody at all. We used to have better quality paint.
So what's the brand of your paint?
No, we never have the special brand. We just call it Eve.
Oh, it's called Eve.
Yeah, because that's the lady name.
Okay,
and she
okay.
teach me.
Yeah.
She and her daughter them teach me because we used to live with them, you know. It's the family, one family. So come and learn how to make paint. Sweller, lastering, body powder, paint powder, preservative, balance, pine oil, and all these stuff. What ingredients?
Yeah.
And it's a technique.
Yeah.
How to do it. Can we do it right? One big jar of paint like this, spoil,
yeah.
dumb.
Yeah.
At about 50,000 a waste.
Yeah.
And then tell them 50,000 worth of money. Yeah, man. So, me still link me up, man. Bring up on the black and you know, check brown in, clean on the ends, pretty.
Yes, the time she meet, the song not come out.
The song come out already, man, long time.
Yeah, long time.
Not after.
After,
you understand? Because when the song come out, she used to go to school now.
Eh?
It cause a problem with her now, at school now.
Oh, yeah.
They want to kick her from the school.
Which school?
T-Valley High.
Eh?
T-Valley High now. You understand? I think a T-Valley High. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
A long time, I remember, I think a T-Valley High. So anybody who's watching this can correct me. So, until the song come out, you be the man hot man. After, we start link with her. You see me and say?
Yeah.
Girl brown and nice, you know, man. Be the man start praying me and say, oh, this thing? This thing, man,
Where's it? Bite up this thing.
No, careful, just bite your top more. Why for the biting? So, we did it with her and thing. Enough time, me link her yard. Me and her reason, me know I meet her mother. She's, yo, Mr. Man look nice too, you know.
Yeah.
So she introduced me to her mother.
Yeah.
Her mother. Me and her mother, Reese, and her friend, them, man, you know. Sometimes me and her mother alone, sometimes me and she alone.
Yeah.
Up on her ends at Coville. She does this uptown people, uptown vibes.
Yeah.
See, so did it with her and thing. But anyways, enough of that. Enough of that. My back in the studio, me do my thing. You see, because me and her ready to do a song, you know.
Yeah.
I was writing a song. Them tell Tiffany hot.
Yeah.
So me like write a song for Miss Thing.
Yeah.
Come out back in the same segment so she and Tifa can have a run there.
Yeah.
But what happened now is to get overwhelmed with rhythm and performance. So me never get my last our number, get new number,